Jogging every day in April. It's hard.
It's hard. What's up, everybody? It's me and Loopy.
We on a red carpet.
Literally the red carpet. We're here covering the red carpet opening of Wizarding World Hollywood, Universal Studios Hollywood Wizarding World.
Super excited. Hashtag Wizarding World Hollywood.
Hashtag Wizarding World Hollywood.
It says on the back.
So like, hopefully Patrick will be able to talk to some celebs, and then we get to go in and have a lot of fun.
There is going to be Harry Potter fireworks.
Oh yes. Yay! Butterbeer. Going to the press risers, no one's in the park. Literally no one in the park
Except us.
Krusty Land is empty. There's nobody here.
It's like really creepy.
Except a million press people. I know it is really creepy. I can't wait to show them up close. But look at this
Also
Krusty.
Creepy. Real creepy.
Press risers, blowing in the wind.
It's hard.
It's hard.
Ivana Lynch, Warwick Davis, and last but not least, I think we have a couple more guests arriving in time. Let's give it up for James Phelps and Oliver Phelps. I'm honored to ask one more person to join us on stage. He's a quintessential part of the Harry Potter films, a motion picture legend, and is quite truly a national treasure. Because, as Professor Dumbledore reminds us, music is magic beyond all we do here. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome for a warm welcome for world-renowned composer, John Williams.
Hogwarts is so beautiful. Oh, Patrick fell on the floor. Look at it. So pretty. What are you doing on the floor?
I'm looking for my glasses.
Oh. Let's look at Hogwarts again. All kind of free stuff happening. Got free food.
There's so
free
much.
Beer and butterbeer. There's pretzels. Pretzel twist.
Just leave them.
Yum. Is it good?
Delicious.
Here's the regular food that they have at Three Broomsticks. Spare ribs, lemon herb chicken, fingers and mash. Another day, another walk on to Forbidden Journey.
So many people.
It literally opens in 2 days. This is our last chance to do this probably ever.
Right.
This whole area will be full of people. But not tonight. Tonight we go to Hogwarts.
Literally?
I believe we may need like a photo shoot by Dumbledore's office right now. All the photo shoots. Prince! Magic Prince! What did you just say? Oh, your drink smells. I was like, what? What do you think I said? I don't know. Stupefied. It's a close-up of Hogwarts. Got another butterbeer for free. This time frozen. Did you get a frozen one, babe?
Yeah, babe.
Is this it? This is how they make them.
My phone just died.
Casually ending our night walking back on the red carpet. It is bright up in here. I love that they make us walk back to our car on the red carpet. Feeling glam. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Ending it laying down on the red carpet. Hope you guys had fun hanging out with me at the red carpet premiere of Wizarding World of Harry Potter, officially open on April 7th. And if you like this video, leave a comment down below talking about Harry Potter and, you know, saying something that you haven't said in my last couple vlogs about Harry Potter. And keep watching Veda.
You're not low enough.
I'm trying.
Red carpet, come on.
Okay, here we go. Keep watching Veda all month long where I'm posting videos every single day. And I'll see you tomorrow.
It's hard.
Oh, wait, how's it go? It's hard. That's how I say it. It's hard. What's like a spell that ends things? Nox.
Accio.
Accio, end of the vlog.
It's hard.
It's hard.